Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kantilal Chandre, program owner for machine learning data science at Student Global. In today's session, we are going to learn the supervised algorithm. Okay, so in last session we have seen the types of machine learning algorithm. So we'll just pick the supervised algorithm. Okay, so when we can choose the supervised algorithm, so it depends on the data. Okay, suppose we have a data along with the target feature. What is mean by target feature? Suppose we can take the example of employee churn modeling. That means that particular employee will retain in the company or not. Okay, so we have suppose data. Okay, so here independent features. Okay, so here suppose number of project allocate, number of works, that means spent on particular project, appraisal level, appraisal satisfaction, or there are different independent features. So on the basis of independent feature, that target feature, that means he will or she will retain in company or not. So it may be in 1 or something 0, yes or no. Okay, so on the basis of target feature, so that means if it is discrete or we can say it is categorical, so we can go for what? Classification. If it is continuous form, that means if you are going to, that means if you want to predict some salary or some temperature or some budget, that means it is continuous form. Okay, so in continuous, what we can use for regression, we can go for the regression. It's a basic, that means a prerequisite, we can say test. If your target feature, okay, it's a dependent feature, these are the independent features. Okay, first of all, how we can use, that means how we can choose, that means particular supervised or unsupervised based on target. So in supervised, what we have target feature, in unsupervised we don't have target feature. Okay, data will not be contain target feature. So that's why first target feature. If target feature, you can go for the supervised. Okay, again, if the target feature belongs to a classification, that means it's that means category, yes or no, retain, not retain, approve, deny. Okay, so you can just go for the classification. Okay, if it is continuous form, that means suppose you just predict some continuous variable, just like a temperature or salary or something like budget, annual budget. So in that case we can blindly go for the regression algorithm. Yeah, so these are the independent, this is the dependent feature. Fine. Okay, next, this data we are going to feed to algorithm will train. It will train based on the data and patterns. Okay, and that algorithm can predict unknown data. If we are going to provide unknown data set, unknown data point, not data set, data point, so that algorithm will predict that target feature for you. Okay, so in this way I'll just give the overall a brief idea about the machine learning. So in next video we are going to see the simple linear regression model and its math behind it. Okay, so here we also see how the train test split happen. Okay, that means suppose this is the data set, we can just split into training and testing. So that means this x is a x what? Train. Suppose here we are just divide into this one. So this part is nothing but the x train. This part is nothing but the x test. Okay, this is the y train. This is the y train. This is the y test. Okay, so that means for feeding the data, that means we just use x train and y train. The algorithm will train. That means we are providing the question and answer. On the basis of data, that algorithm get trained. Okay, now we can test, we can provide the x test. The algorithm will give what? Y prediction. So we can just compare Y prediction with y tray. So in this way we can just, that means test our algorithm, that means how that algorithm is performing. Okay, so we'll see in the details while studying algorithm. First of all, we need to learn the mathematics behind algorithm, how that algorithm, that means, works. Okay, what are the formulas. Okay, so we'll see in the next coming session. Thanks for watching our videos. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much.